Well, the United Kingdom is the first Western nation to approve a coronavirus vaccine. Now, under an emergency use authorization, the country is set to deploy the Pfizer vaccine next week as the UK plans to implement its biggest immunization program in decades. Correspondent Mark Irons reports. Mark?
Tracy, the top priority will be given to those most at risk of dying from COVID-19, elderly people in nursing homes, and frontline healthcare workers. The UK's health secretary says 800,000 vaccine doses will be available next week, with millions more coming in following weeks.
This will be one of the biggest civilian logistical efforts that we've faced as a nation. It will be difficult. There will be challenges and complications, but I know that the NHS is equal to the task. Rolling out the vaccine, free at the point of delivery, according to clinical need, not ability to pay, is in the finest tradition of our National Health Service.
British regulators insist no corners have been cut during the Pfizer vaccine review process. The CEO of BioNTech, Pfizer's German partner, said this vaccine news marks the start of the end of the pandemic. Here in the U.S., the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are awaiting emergency use approval from the FDA. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is recommending healthcare workers and nursing home residents be the first to receive a vaccine. The CDC has also announced recommendations for quarantines, in some cases offering a shortened quarantine of 7 to 10 days after exposure. And a reminder, the National Catholic Bioethics Center has identified the Pfizer vaccine as one of the least ethically problematic vaccines. It did not rely on aborted fetal cell lines during production. Tracy.
Correspondent Mark Irons, thanks so much for that report, Mark.